Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dalton Harris gets candid about depression. Now, singer Dalton Harris recently spoke about his stint with depression during a conversation with New York-based songwriter Autumn Rowe. The X Factor UK winner recalled a conversation he had with a critic that affected his mental state, which resulted in him receiving treatment at a rehabilitation center overseas.
I think that night on the phone when I had that conversation with this person, that's not from the label, they were trying to get me to end it. Because that's the only way to explain the level of gaslighting that I was subject to.
To end what?
My life.
Wow.
You know, and I think the label saw and knew how bad I was and how horrible I was doing, that they made the decision to send me to retreat, to rehab, so I could deal with my depression and be okay.
Dalton Harris won the British singing competition X Factor back in 2018. Now to news overseas, where the BET Awards maintains our culture can't be cancelled. The 20th staging of the BET Awards, held on Sunday, was celebrated under the theme Our Culture Can't Be Cancelled and featured powerful virtual performances from rap and R&B's biggest stars, including Megan Thee Stallion and Lil Wayne, who paid a tribute to basketball icon Kobe Bryant.
This is black entertainment. This is black power status. 2 fingers full of mama seed. I'm screaming black mama matters. Heart goes out to Vanessa and the whole black mama family.
Beyonce, who won 2 awards, dedicated her humanitarian award to persons who have been marching in support of racial equality.
I want to dedicate this award to all of my brothers out there, all of my sisters out there inspiring me, marching and fighting for change. Your voices are being heard, and you're proving to our ancestors that their struggles were not in vain.
Whilst Alicia Keys brought the Black Lives Matter message during her performance of Perfect Way to Die, which featured the names of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, and other lost black lives written in chalk. Drake led this year's pool with 6 nominations. He only received 1 award for Best Collaboration with Chris Brown on the track No Guidance. Rapper Megan Thee Stallion, who received 5 nominations, took home 2 trophies: Best Female Hip Hop Artist and Viewer's Choice Award for Hot Girl Summer featuring Nicki Minaj. Now, newcomer rapper Roddy Ricch defeated Lizzo, Beyonce, Megan Thee Stallion, her, and DaBaby to cop the Album of the Year award. And thank you for watching.